I was 29 years old when I had a partial temporal lobectomy with an amygdalohippocambectomy. My daughters, who are twins, were 6 years old at the time of the surgery. The seizure started when I was 18, but I was 20 when I was diagnosed. The epilepsy meds they tried putting me on did not keep it under control. It was brain surgery that had to be done in order to try to see if it would work. I didn't know pretty much anything about my life because the epilepsy I had took my memory. My mom was the one who wonderfully put me on disability, but I assumed it's not something you have to reapply for. It's not something you have to do anything with. All of a sudden, I tried to use my card where they deposit the money that I get from disability, and it had $0 on it. So that's when I found out that I had to go to the Social Security office the next day. I kept telling them I needed help, meaning even just explaining to me the papers to fill out. Something simple is not simple to me, and it just because it doesn't process the right way in my brain.
When we get referrals from the county, I review any notes that her providers may have included, the denial notices from Social Security. Social Security determined that she was no longer disabled and able to re-enter the workforce.
And this is where I got the call from Inner City Law.
I was able to look at this client's documents and history as she was referred to us for further legal assistance.
If my continuation of benefits would have stopped, it would have been impossible to survive.
She was at risk of losing her housing as well as potentially losing her kids. Her legal team here at Inner City Law Center realized that the best approach to working with her to strengthen her case would be to set up recurring meetings with her. That patience and dependability was really something that set up trust. We were able to fill out the forms with her so that we would be able to explain things that she may not understand. Once this client continued treatment and we were able to gather medical records, our team was able to submit the records to the judge. He issued a favorable decision.
When I found out that I won my disability case, it was the second best day of my life after my daughters. Inner City Law was the reason I got to actually become my daughter's mom again.